Construction sites can sometimes be costly. Do you know what are the best ways to save money? Hi, I'm Holly with Regional Security Guardian's YouTube channel, and in today's video we're providing you with 6 different ways to save money on construction sites. As a security company who's been providing guards to construction sites for over 10 years, we understand that many construction sites struggle to keep their costs down. But how can they reduce their costs? Let's get into it. 1. Do research for the best prices and materials. The first tip we have to save money on construction sites is to do research beforehand on the best prices for materials and equipment. Doing research into the best prices can be an effective and simple way to save money on your construction site. When you're shopping for materials and equipment, it is important to do research into the different places that you can buy equipment from, how much different companies are selling the equipment for, and to see if any businesses are offering any special offers or deals on their equipment. 2. Buy high quality equipment. Our second tip to save money is always to buy high quality equipment. When construction business owners are choosing what equipment to buy on their site, it is important to make sure that they always buy equipment that is in high quality. Although high quality equipment can be a bit more expensive, they will often last longer than cheaper equipment, and it is a great way to buy equipment that lasts longer, as it can often save you money in the long run. 3. Hire security guards. Our third tip to save money is to hire security guards. One of the biggest costs for a construction site is crime. From doing research online, we found that in 2019, crime cost the construction site industry almost £800 million. These are shocking figures, and it's no wonder that many construction site owners are worried about potential crime. One way to stop crime and reduce crime costs is to hire security guards, as they can often act as a visual deterrent against thieves. Security guards have known to protect construction sites and their equipment through the strong security presence that they provide. A construction site security guard will protect your site by logging everyone who enters and exits your site, by doing routine patrols, by protecting heavy machinery equipment, and by keeping a watchful eye out for criminals. 4. Invest in a construction management software system. Our fourth tip to save money is investing in a construction management software system. A construction management software system is an app that is designed to help business owners plan, organise and manage projects. This software system will include a budget plan that many construction site owners can use to see how they are spending their money and to help them brainstorm new ways to save money. Management systems may take a while to set up, but they have been known to be a great way for construction site owners to save money in the long run. 5. Install security cameras. Our fifth tip to save money on construction sites is installing security cameras. Like security guards, security cameras are an excellent way to stop crime, as they've been known to act as a visual deterrent against thieves, and they can often provide sites with maximum protection. Another benefit of installing security cameras on your site is that they can survey blind spots on your property, and they will cover some areas that guards may not be able to see. 6. Take measures to reduce waste and use recycled materials. Our sixth and final tip to save money on construction sites is to take measures to reduce waste and use recycled materials. One of the biggest costs for construction sites is that a lot of their materials end up in landfills instead of being recycled. By taking extra measures to reduce waste, this can help companies save money, as it can help cut down construction site costs. One of these measures could be by doing research online to seeing what materials can be reused and recycled. That's the end of our video. Did you find these tips helpful? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date with all the latest Security Guardian news. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you in the next one.